Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. The fact that I'm riding and it's an R1300GS means I have my bike back finally. So I just wanted to make a short, video just to finish up what will hopefully be the end of my red screen of death, issues. So I got a call yesterday, Friday, from the dealership. I wasn't expecting to hear back until next week, if I'm honest. They weren't expecting the part in until the end of this week. So pleasantly surprised by that. Anyway, the part had been fitted. It appears to have fixed the issue and I can have my bike back. So obviously I made them aware that me actually coming over to get it was going to be difficult, seeing as how I wasn't given a courtesy bike. So they arranged with BMW Assist to bring it back to me, and a lovely chap called John from Motorcycle Transport, I think is the company, brought the bike back to me about 12 o'clock. So yes, overall very happy now, and hopefully this will be the end of my issues. To address a lot of the comments that I got about why I wasn't given a courtesy bike, I do still think the dealership perhaps should have, asked about that sooner and tried to provide me with one. But from what I gather, go on mate, there you go. From what I gather, it's because BMW Assist were used to recover the bike, even though it was actually at my house, and it was down to them to provide me with a courtesy vehicle, but that would have only have been a car, so which I don't need. So I think that kind of clears up some of the confusion, although I do still think an offer of a courtesy bike charged back to BMW UK from the dealership would have been ideal. I suspect that they don't have a lot of courtesy bikes, as their motorrad section is quite small compared to their car section. But yeah, I have my bike back, and I will be pursuing a complaint with BMW UK, not to complain about the dealership, just really the amount of time. What's going on here? Just really because of the amount of time that I was without the use of my bike, especially now as we're getting into the winter months. So yeah. I shall see if anything can come out of that. I do think at least a gesture of goodwill of the finance payment for the month that I didn't have the bike would be fair, at the very least. Let me know in the comments what you would be asking for. So yeah, also assuming my old GoPro Hero 7 there is actually filming and doesn't corrupt the file, I'm also wearing my Rocker Calyx, I think it is, jacket, which, shout out to Rocker. I bought it from J&S in Northwich over 5 years ago now, and the main zip on it failed. It would just sort of, kind of pull open. Had a bit of an issue at first because I wasn't made aware that to get the extra 6th year of warranty you needed to register online, and let's be honest, how many of us actually do that? You'll probably tell me in the comments that you always do, but yes, my own fault. However, Rocker they did agree to repair it under warranty, as it was literally about a week out of over the 5-year period, and it came back in absolutely fantastic condition with a new main zip. It's still as waterproof as the day it was when I bought it, which you would expect for Gore-Tex Pro. So yeah, happy to be back on the bike, and the jiggy video will be coming soon, hopefully. As always, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button if you like these sort of videos. And yeah, hopefully I'll bring you some more videos soon. Thanks for watching.